Sai Ram. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, Raj, we're able to hear you. Please go ahead.
All right. So today is Mother's Day, and also it's also we are celebrating the Ishwarama Day from our center. And I would like to introduce our guests today. They're going to be doing a music program and a devotional music program with bhajans and music. So the first artist for today is Sanket Modi. He is from the Sai fraternity. His Swami student is a blessed singer, harmonium player, music arranger, and composer. Sanket has got several opportunities to perform in front of Bhagwan Baba. He has also been sharing stage with various Rakshas of India, like Padma Bhushan Begum, Parveen Sultana, Richa Sharma, the Sweepy Queen, Paponda from Bollywood, to name a few. He was very fortunate to be guided by the legends like Sangeet Martand Ustad Dilshad Khan, Padma Bhushan Parveen Sultana, and late Padma Shri Pandit Tulsidas Borkharji and Srimati Kumudini Mukherjee from Prashanti Nilayam. He is also an educator, giving guidance to his students around the globe through his academy, Sai Sanket Music Academy. He will be accompanied by Sagar Pitroda. Is an alumni of the Satya Sai Mirpuri College of Music, Prashanti Nilayam. Sagar has completed his foundation in tabla from the College of Music in Prashanti Nilayam and graduation from University of Mumbai. Sagar works in HDFC Bank. Shrikshant was a Balvika student and is now a Seva Dal member who is also a Dharmakshetra Mandir group singer. He has learned Hindustani under late Shri Mohanlal Barochi. So we have a nice program that they have put today, the theme being Ishwarama, how Swami, Swami's mother, the holy mother, the chosen mother, the mother of God, Ishwarama. And I would like to stop my share and ask them to start their sharing and go from there.
Om Shri Sai Ram, and happy Mother's Day to all of you, from all of us here from India, and we all are at Mumbai right now. And beautiful day of Mother's Day today, and we have prepared some devotional songs on Mother Ishwarama. Mother Ishwarama, today's theme is so nice and auspicious, and today fortunately is also a Mother's Day. So we all have a huge respect and love for our mother. Mother is being highest always in each one of us life. So today Mother's Day, we are all going to celebrate it together. And Ishwarama, the divine mother of Bhagwan, Shri Satya Sai, earlier she was a Miriam, but after marriage, Kondamma Raju gave name Ishwarama. He got a vision that he is a mother of Ishwara, none other than Shri Satya Sai Baba, and gave name Ishwarama. And we all are fortunate that Swami came into our life just because of Mother Ishwarama. So we all have a huge gratitude for Mother Ishwarama. And our first song and our first prayer is to Ishwarama. We all are so grateful to her that she gave birth to Swami, and Swami came in all our life. So janam diya tune sai ko, हम पे किया उपकार, ईश्वरम्मा तेरा साई, युग युग का अवतार. A beautiful song. I hope you all will enjoy it and remember Mother today. Thank you. Before that, we will have one small Ganesha Stuti, the invocation of Lord Ganesha by Sri Shant. शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजम् प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये अगजानन पद्मार्कम् गजानन महर्निशम् विनायका 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 विघ्न विनाशक विनायका विघ्न विनाशक विनायका विघ्न विनाशक विनायका विघ्न विनाशक विनायका गौरी नंदन हे शिवनंदन गौरी नंदन हे शिवनंदन पार्वती नंदन गजानन पार्वती नंदन गजानन मूषिक वाहन गजानन मूषिक वाहन गजानन मोदक हस्ता गजानन मोदक हस्ता गजानन मोदक हस्ता गजानन मोदक हस्ता गजानन विनायका 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 विघ्न विनाशक विनायका विघ्न विनाशक विनायका गौरी नंदन हे शिवनंदन गौरी नंदन हे शिवनंदन पार्वती नंदन गजानन पार्वती नंदन गजानन मूषिक वाहन मूषिक वाहन गजानन मोदक हस्ता गजानन मोदक हस्ता गजानन मोदक हस्ता गजानन मोदक हस्ता गजानन विनायका विनायका beautiful bhajan by Srishant. And now we will move on to the next part, that is, we all are very grateful to Ishwaramma for giving birth to Swami. We are fortunate that Baba is in our life. So this is a grateful song. We all should pray to Mother Ishwaramma to share her blessing on all of us on this today's Mother's Day. भक्ति भक्त भगवंत गुरु चतुष नाम बपु एक, तिनके पद वंदन किए, मेटत विघ्न मेटत विघ्न जग है मिथ्या सामने सच्ची राह दिखाई, जग है मिथ्या सामने सच्ची राह दिखाई, सबसे कर तू प्यार उपदेश प्रभु ने हम पे किया उपकार, ऐसा दे उपदेश प्रभु ने हम पे किया उपकार। ईश्वर अम्मा तेरा स्वामी, युग युग का अवतार, युग युग का अवतार, जन्म दिया तूने सारी को, हम पे किया उपकार। सेवा सादा, गुरु सेवा सा पुण्य नहीं, मानव सेवा सादा। सबसे पूज्य है माता पिता, जो है ब्रह्म समान। ऐसे साईं वचनों से मिला खुशियों का भंडार। ईश्वर अम्बा तेरा साईं, ईश्वर अम्बा तेरा साईं, युग युग का अवतार, युग युग का अवतार। जन्म दिया तूने साई को, हम पे किया उपकार। धन्य हुए जो साई युग में हमने जन्म है पाया। धन्य हुए जो साई युग में हमने जन्म है पाया। दीन दयालु साई ने हमें गले से लगाया। हो गए हम तो ऋणी साई के, इतना दिया है प्यार। हो गए हम तो ऋणी साई के, इतना दिया है प्यार। ईश्वर अम्मा तेरा साई, युग युग का अवतार, युग युग का अवतार। जन्म दिया तूने साई को, हम पे किया उपकार, हम पे किया उपकार, हम पे किया उपकार।
రేపల్లె బాలుని వలె మా పల్లెను పుట్టావు is a song that looks at Swami through the eyes of Ishwaramma. Written and composed by M.S. Prakash Rao Garu. When his mother once told him, "Why don't you write a song depicting the feelings of Mother Ishwaramma towards Swami?" She shared with him the thoughts of Ishwaramma, which Mother Ishwaramma herself had shared with her. This song, Repalle Baluni Vale, is a mother's wish to look at Swami from mother's eyes. But was this song a true expression of Ishwaramma's feelings towards Swami? The answer was given by Swami himself. When this song was offered to Swami in the interview room in year 2006, Swami nostalgically said, pointing towards the pillar outside, he said, "Ishwaramba would sit by this pillar and think of me in this very manner." In this beautiful song, The mother wonders whether Swami is the mystic Shiva or the ever playful Krishna, and goes on to say, "Whoever you are, O Lord, you have lit the lamp of love in our hearts, and let your compassionate looks make the whole of this universe happy and peaceful." రేపల్లె బాలుని వలె మా పల్లెను పుట్టావు, రేపల్లె బాలుని వలె మా పల్లెను పుట్టావు, గోపాలుడివా నీవు గోవిందుడివా, గోపాలుడివా నీవు గోవిందుడివా, సత్యనారాయణ నారాయణ సత్యనారాయణ. అక్షయ సంవత్సరాన కార్తీక మాసాన శివునికి ప్రియమైన సోమవారాన పుట్టినావు, అక్షయ సంవత్సరాన కార్తీక మాసాన శివునికి ప్రియమైన సోమవారాన పుట్టినావు, నారాయణ వ్రత వేళలో నవ్వుల చిందించినావు, నారాయణ వ్రత వేళలో నవ్వుల చిందించినావు, నాగసాయికా దర్శనమిచ్చినావు తండ్రి, పరమశివుడివా నీవు పరమాత్ముడివా, పరమశివుడివా నీవు పరమాత్ముడివా, నారాయణ సత్యనారాయణ నారాయణ సత్యనారాయణ. అరుణారుణ కాంతులోని కన్నులలో విరిసెను, భువన మోహనముగ చిరునవ్వుల చిందేను, అరుణారుణ కాంతులోని కన్నులలో విరిసెను, భువన మోహనముగ చిరునవ్వులు చిందేను, దివ్య ప్రేమ సౌరభాలు నీ పలుకుల నిందేను, దివ్య ప్రేమ సౌరభాలు నీ పలుకుల నిందేను, శ్రీవత్సముని అడిపై అండముగ విలేసేను, జనార్దనుడివా నీవు జగన్మోహినివా, జనార్దనుడివా నీవు జగన్మోహినివా, నారాయణ సత్యనారాయణ నారాయణ సత్యనారాయణ. రేపల్లె బాలుని వలె మా పల్లెను పుట్టావు, రేపల్లె బాలుని వలె మా పల్లెను పుట్టావు, గోపాలుడివా నీవు గోవిందుడివా, నారాయణ సత్యనారాయణ నారాయణ సత్యనారాయణ నారాయణ సత్యనారాయణ.
What a beautiful song, Repalli. The Ishwarama would think in this way to Swami, that Swami would be, whether Swami would be Rama, Swami would be Krishna, she would be thinking, and that thoughts have been written it so nicely. Now next part is mother's love, Swami and Ishwarama's relationship. So nice. Ishwarama was a housewife and very compassionate. Whenever devotees came to Puttaparthi, she always took care of them. She always stood by them, and she had tremendous love for devotees. And she always used to be concerned for Swami, that how Swami is telling lot of scriptures and so many knowledgeable things. So she would think that whether it is true or not, because that is a mother's feeling. So she would go to some priest and ask that Baba is telling these things correct or not. So that way mother's nature, though Swami was supreme and he knew many things, but the mother's concern was that whether whatever Baba is preaching and telling, whether that is correct or not. So mother is mother after all. So that song, O Ma, tu kitni achhi hai, tu kitni bholi hai, pyari pyari hai, it is in Hindi, and this is our offering on this beautiful day, Mother Day. O Ma, O Ma, O Ma, प्यारी माँ. प्यारी प्यारी है ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, साई माँ। ये जो दुनिया है ये बन है कांटों का, तू फुलवारी है ओ माँ। दुखन लागी है माँ तेरी अखियाँ, दुखन लागी है माँ तेरी अखियाँ, मेरे लिए जागी है तू सारी सारी रतिया, मेरी निंदिया पे अपनी निंदिया भी तूने मारी है ओ माँ, ओ माँ, प्यारी प्यारी ओ माँ, प्यारी ओ हंसने पे, हाँ मेरे रोने पे तू बलिहारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, मेरी ओ माँ, ओ माँ, माँ बच्चों की जान होती है, माँ बच्चों की जान होती है। वो होते हैं किस्मत वाले जिनकी माँ होती। कितनी सुंदर है तू, कितनी शीतल है, न्यारी न्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, प्यारी माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, साई माँ। And Swami used to do many pranks with Mother Ishwarama when he once Ishwarama came to Swami's interview room and there were many snakes around Swami's shoulder, and she became worried. Why, Swami, there are a lot of snakes around you? Are you not afraid of them? Then Swami told, see, there are a lot more inside the room, where interview room. And Ishwarama was scared and she went. When she went, there were no snakes and nothing was there. So Swami used to make lot of jokes and pranks with Mother Ishwarama. That Mother Ishwarama would feel little afraid of that. But Swami was so joyous with her and like normal mother. And so here Swami is also a Shiva Avtara. Shiva Avtara. So let's sing a glory of Lord Shiva in the form of a beautiful bhajan, Har Har Mahadeva. And Lord Shiva is Dama 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 Damaru Baje, Dhini tak Mridanga Baje, Har Har Mahadeva, Har Har Mahadeva. Om Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namo. 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 Shiva Shiva Hara Hara Haraya Namo. Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Shivaya Namo. Shiva Shiva Hara Haraya Namo. Har Har Mahadeva, Har Har Mahadeva, Har Har Mahadeva,
डमरू बाजे, डम 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 डमरू बाजे, धीमी तक मृदंग बाजे, धीमी तक मृदंग बाजे, डम 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 डमरू बाजे, डम 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 डमरू बाजे, धीमी तक मृदंग बाजे, धीमी तक मृदंग बाजे, हर हर महादेवा, 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 ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः, ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः, ओम नमः शिवाय हर हर महादेवा, 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 डम 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 डमरू बाजे, डम 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 डमरू बाजे, डम 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 डमरू बाजे, डम 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 डमरू बाजे, हरि हरि गरे 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 नम नम गरे गरे नम नम गरे नम नम गरे नम 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 ला 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 नि 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 रे 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 मामा गा गरे रा नि रे रे मामा गा गरे रा रे रा गरे 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 रा गरे 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 रा 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 गरे मगा मगा रे गरे मगा मगा रे मगा मगा रे गरे मगा मगा बाबा मगा मगा बाबा मगा 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 रे गरे मगा मगा रे मगा रे गरे मगा मगा रे मगा मगा रे गरे मगा रे गरे गरे रा सारे सारे रे गरे सारे गरे सारे सारे रे गरे सारे गरे सारे सारे रे गरे मगा मगा रे गरे मगा मगा रे मगा मगा रे गरे मगा मगा बाबा मगा मगा बाबा रे डम 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 डमरू बाजे, डम 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 डमरू बाजे, धीमी तक मृदंग बाजे, धीमी तक मृदंग बाजे, हर हर महादेवा, हर हर महादेवा, हर हर महादेवा, हर हर महादेवा, ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः, 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 ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः.
And when Mother Ishwaramma went to Swami one day and asked three wishes from Swami. One day she was coming back from Chitravati river, and when she was coming back, she saw one lady taking a pot of water and walking. And she saw that they are struggling to lift water and going towards village. And she was literally in pain seeing that. And she asked that woman, why you are taking so much trouble going there? Then she told, there is no water in village. So I have to come to river and then take a pot and fill the water and then go back to village. So Mother Ishwaramma was in tears seeing this. After walking little while, she saw one boy carrying a school bag with lots of books and going to Bukkapatnam, nearby village. And mother saw this and asked that boy, okay, why you are carrying this much and where you are going? Then he told, I am going to Bukkapatnam village because there is no good school in our village. And Mother Ishwaramma again felt that pain, that there should be a good school in Prashanti Nilayam, Puttaparthi, there should be a good school. And again, she walked a little while and then she saw one mother and boy walking towards Bukkapatnam. And mother could not walk, even boy could not walk. And mother asked, where you are going? It was afternoon time. And the mother and son told, mother told that we are going to Bukkapatnam because he is not well, he is unwell. And there is no good doctor in our village. So I have to go to Bukkapatnam to take his treatment. So again, Mother Ishwaramma was in pain seeing this. So she again thought that there should be good hospital in village. And one day when Swami was sitting for his breakfast, she went to Swami and asked these wishes to him that, Swami, I have three wishes. How to fulfill this? And she took she was wearing one gold chain and she gave Swami. She told, okay, you sell this and make school for boys and drinking water, health. And Swami laughed and told, Mother, what will happen in this small chain? It cannot happen. But you be patient. I will do it. I will do it on the correct time. When correct time comes, I will do it. And we all see that there is a super specialty hospital which runs free of cost. There is no billing counter in Puttaparthi, also in Bangalore. There is a A++ university, highest university, Sri Sathya Sai University, where education is free and the students are coming topmost. And once they come out, people are dying to take them, to work for them. And Swami gave 700 villages water, that also we. So healthcare, also water projects, all this is because of Ishwaramma's wishes to Swami, that Swami, we should have all this in our village to grow our village like city, and everything should be there. There should not be any scarcity in the village. Villagers should not go out for small things. So Mother Ishwaramma love for the poor, needy was so much. She used to think and she used to feel for them that these all facilities should be available in Puttaparthi. So poor, she used to love and feed all the poor when they come to Puttaparthi. So her love for poor, needy was immense. So here a beautiful song depicting that. Din dukhiyo se prem karo, mera sai prasanna hoga. So we should love in this really way. I am connecting real time right now that we all are facing a lot of problem in this corona. So whatever help we can do nearby, whatever needy are there, you can do 5 paisa, 5 rupees help or 10 rupees help, whatever help is in our capacity we should do. So here again a beautiful bhajan Srishant will sing. Din dukhiyon se prem karo, mera sai prasanna hoga. Monitor readings 910 liter. 910. That's total.
हर प्राणी में साई, हर प्राणी में बाबा, सब प्रेम करो, सब प्रेम करो, मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा। मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा, मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा। दीन दुखियों से प्रेम करो, मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा। दीन दुखियों से प्रेम करो, मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा। दीन दुखियों से प्रेम करो, मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा। दीन दुखियों से प्रेम करो, मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा। साईं मेरा मैं तेरा, ये प्रेम की बहती धारा। साईं मेरा मैं तेरा, ये प्रेम की बहती धारा। साईं मेरा मैं तेरा, ये प्रेम की बहती धारा। साईं मेरा मैं तेरा, ये प्रेम की बहती धारा। ये प्रेम की बहती धारा, ये प्रेम की बहती धारा, ये प्रेम की बहती धारा, ये प्रेम की बहती धारा। मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा, साईं प्रसन्न होगा। मेरा बाबा प्रसन्न होगा, बाबा प्रसन्न होगा। दीन दुखियों
धारा
मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा,
साईं प्रसन्न होगा,
मेरा बाबा प्रसन्न होगा,
मेरा बाबा प्रसन्न होगा। दीन दुखियों से प्रेम करो, मेरा
साईं प्रसन्न होगा।
Beautiful, Shrishant. दिन दुखियों से प्रेम करो. We were talking that we should help the needy and poor people around us in this time. And that's what Mother Ishwarama thought lot of before. And she had a thought of helping poor, needy children and all. And here now, I'm presenting a small instrumental Ma Bhajan, which is very famous for devotees. Jaya, we are singing a glory of Mother. Again, Jaya Ma, Daya Karo Sai Ma. That is an instrumental with keyboard, tabla, and Srishant will accompany me on harmonium. Just a while. I will just sing one line, then I will play it. Jaya Ma, Jaya Ma, Daya Karo Sai Ma. And again, a beautiful instrumental, one more. Janani Ma, Sai Janani Ma. And Srishant will sing Alap, and after that I will accompany, I will play the piece.
प्रेमवाहिनी मा ज्ञानवाहिनी मा धर्मवाहिनी मा ध्यानवाहिनी मा प्रशान्तिवाहिनी चिरसुखदायिनी जय जय साई जय जय साई माँ।
जननी माँ, जननी माँ, साई जननी After this, again, Ishwaramma's and Swami's relationship, so compassionate, so loving. And here again, beautiful English songs, medley we have prepared. And starting from Srishant, that medley, and English bhajan medley we have prepared. Hope you all like it. And we all remember Mother today. Thank you.
Baba, Sai Baba. Every moment of my life, please be with me. In every single act of mine, lead all my life. Baba, Sai Baba, Baba, Sai Baba. When I slip, when I fall, lend me your hand. When I stray far away, bring me back again. When I slip, when I fall, lend me your hand. When I stray far away, bring me back again. Baba, Sai Baba, Baba, Sai Baba. From the darkness into light, bring me, Father. From the darkness into light, lead me, Father. From unreal to the real. Baba, Sai Baba, Baba, Sai Baba. Every moment of my life, please be with me. Every single act of mine, lead all my life. Baba, Sai Baba, Baba, Sai Baba. I keep feeling your loving over and over again. I keep feeling your loving over and over again. And it's sweeter and sweeter as it lies. Oh, what a glory, my Sayana, my Sayana. I keep feeling your loving over and over again. Keep feeling your loving over and over again. And it's sweeter and sweeter as days go by. Oh, what a love between my Lord and I, my Lord and I, my Messiah, my Lord and I, Messiah. Love is my call, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. My life is my message, expansion is my life. My life is my message, expansion is my life. No season follow, no season follow, no
जय जय शिरडी बाबा परती बाबा प्रेम बाबा जय शिरडी बाबा परती बाबा प्रेम बाबा जय जय लव इज माय गॉड truth is my best this is my food love is my fault truth is my best this is my food my life is my message expansion is my life my life is my message expansion is my life no reason for love no season for love no birth no death no reason for love no season for love no birth no death satya dharma ananda shanti prema ananda satya dharma ananda shanti prema ananda shirdi sai bharti sai prem sai jai shirdi sai prem sai jai jai shirdi baba bharti baba shirdi baba bharti baba prem baba jai jai remind me my lord remind me my lord remind me my lord who I am remind me my lord remind me my lord remind me my lord who I am I am home eternal I am home eternal home truth is life of distraction and of illusion remind me my lord who I am in this life of distraction and of illusion remind me my lord who I am truth I am peace divine peace I am truth I am peace divine peace satya swarupa ananda swarupa remind me my lord satya swarupa ananda swarupa remind me my lord I am love I am love ya love I am love I am love ya love I am love I am love ya love I am love ya love remind me my lord remind me my lord remind me my lord who I am and when Bhagwan was once sitting in breakfast, Ishwarama was down in Tribrindavan and she called out, Swami, Swami. And Swami immediately went and she caught Swami's hand and told, Swami, I am satisfied. My all wishes have been fulfilled. I am very happy and my time has come and I want to leave this world. And that day she peacefully merged with Swami on that day. So we all today on Mother's Day remember Mother Ishwaramma and one more beautiful song, Pucho na kaisi hai meri maa, ek sachi dost jaisi maa. That mother's relation is like friend. She understands. You need not tell her what you want. Just from eyes, she can make out what you want. And so mother's relation and your relation is so pure, so divine. So here, friend relationship, mother and son relationship is like a friend. So here the song is Pucho na kaisi hai meri maa, ek sache dost jaisi maa. And before that, we'll sing that Pucho na sing one more song. अरे पूछो ना कैसी है मेरी माँ, एक सच्ची दोस्त जैसी माँ। अरे पूछो ना कैसी है मेरी माँ, एक सच्ची दोस्त जैसी माँ। मेरे बदन में जान है तुम्हारा, मिले मुझे किस्मत से ऐसी माँ। मेरे बदन में जान है तुम्हारा, एक सच्ची दोस्त जैसी माँ। मैं अपना लक्ष्य छोड़ दूं, हर एक रिश्ता तोड़ दूं। मैं अपना लक्ष्य छोड़ दूं, हर एक रिश्ता तोड़ दूं। मैं अपना लक्ष्य छोड़ दूं, हर एक रिश्ता तोड़ दूं। मैं अपना लक्ष्य छोड़ दूं, हर एक रिश्ता तोड़ दूं। तू जो कहे माँ दुनिया क्या है, मैं संसार भी छोड़ दूं। तू जो कहे माँ दुनिया क्या है, मैं संसार भी छोड़ दूं। गीता और कुरान जैसी माँ, एक सच्ची दोस्त जैसी माँ। अरे पूछो ना कैसी है मेरी माँ, एक सच्ची दोस्त जैसी माँ। साईं तेरे चरणों में खिलते हम सब उपवन में। साईं तेरे चरणों में खिलते हम तेरे उपवन में। ओ साईं तेरे उपवन में खिलते हम सब जीवन में। साईं तेरे उपवन में खिलते हैं हम जीवन में। वृंदावन के फूल है माँ, तुझ में समा जाए माँ। वृंदावन के फूल है माँ, तुझ में समा जाए माँ। हाँ वृंदावन के फूल है माँ, तुझ में समा जाए। वृंदावन के फूल है माँ, तुझ में समा जाए माँ। अरे दिल में बसने अरे दिल में बसने वाली, अरे दिल में बसने वाली मेरी माँ, एक सच्ची दोस्त जैसी माँ। अरे पूछो ना कैसी है मेरी माँ, एक सच्ची दोस्त जैसी माँ। अरे मेरे बदन में जान जैसी माँ, मिले मुझे किस्मत से ऐसी माँ। अरे मेरे बदन में जान जैसी माँ, मिले मुझे किस्मत से ऐसी माँ। मिले मुझे किस्मत से ऐसी माँ, मिले मुझे किस्मत से ऐसी माँ।
And beautiful bhajans today. We have prepared one medley of bhajans. Maybe it is a 5 bhajans, and we would like to sing that bhajan medley. And all bhajans are Mata Ishwaramma bhajan. So we want to take this opportunity to sing today. Beautiful bhajan. It's a garland of bhajans, and it's combined. How much time we have, Raj Salian bhai?
We have 10 more minutes, Sanket bhai.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Hope sound is reaching correctly.
Yes, it's good. Keep going. Thank you.
Thanks. Good. And I would request all to pray with these bhajans. It is having a lot of energy when you sing bhajan medley in the tempo which is fast. It creates energy and it gives so much positive vibration. So I would request all silently pray to all mothers, all mothers.
कलयुग में अवतार लिए सकल चराचर के भगवान, जगदोधारा साई नारायण। धन्य हो ईश्वरामा, धन्य हो ईश्वरामा, जग को लालवा, जग को धन्य हो, धन्य हो, धन्य हो, धन्य हो, धन्य हो हे ईश्वरामा, धन्य हो ईश्वरामा, धन्य हो हे चराचर के भगवान,
सकल चराचर के भगवान,
जगदोधारा साई नारायण,
जगदोधारा साई नारायण।
धन्य हो धन्य हो
धन्य हो धन्य हो
धन्य हो रे ईश्वरामा,
धन्य हो हे ईश्वरामा,
धन्य हो रे ईश्वरामा,
धन्य हो हे ईश्वरामा,
ईश्वरामा प्रिय तनया,
ईश्वरामा प्रिय तनया,
ईशा महेशा श्री साईशा,
ईशा महेशा श्री साईशा,
युगावतारा साईशा,
युगावतारा साईशा,
प्रेमावतारा साईशा,
प्रेमावतारा साईशा,
पूर्णावतारा साईशा,
पूर्णावतारा साईशा,
ईश्वरामा प्रिय तनया,
ईश्वरामा प्रिय तनया,
ईशा महेशा श्री साईशा,
ईशा महेशा श्री साईशा,
युगावतारा साईशा,
युगावतारा साईशा,
प्रेमावतारा साईशा,
प्रेमावतारा साईशा,
पूर्णावतारा साईशा,
पूर्णावतारा साईशा।
जय जय साई नमो, जय शुभदाई नमो,
जय जय साई नमो, जय शुभदाई नमो,
जय गोविंदा जय गोपाला, जय महादेव नमो,
जय गोविंदा जय गोपाला, जय महादेव नमो,
जय जय साई नमो, जय शुभदाई नमो,
जय जय साई नमो, जय शुभदाई नमो।
अभय प्रदाता विश्व विधाता,
अभय प्रदाता विश्व विधाता,
जगदोधार नमो,
जगदोधार नमो,
जय गोविंदा जय गोपाला, जय महादेव नमो,
जय गोविंद जय महादेव नमो,
जय गोविंदा जय गोपाला, जय महादेव नमो,
जय गोविंदा जय गोपाला, जय महादेव नमो,
दशरथ नंदन श्री रामचंद्र धर्म संरक्षक
दशरथ नंदन श्री रामचंद्र धर्म संरक्षक,
देवकी नंदन मुरलीधरा आनंददायक श्याम,
देवकी नंदन मुरलीधर आनंददायक श्याम,
ईश्वराम सुत श्री सत्य साई प्रेमामृत भगवान,
ईश्वराम सुत श्री सत्य साई प्रेमामृत भगवान,
जय 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 शिव शक्ति स्वरूपा आनंददायक नाम,
बोलो जय 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 शिव शक्ति स्वरूपा मंगलदायक नाम।
दशरथ नंदन राम
दशरथ नंदन राम
आनंददायक श्याम,
आनंददायक श्याम,
प्रेमामृत भगवान,
प्रेमामृत भगवान,
We all thank you from our side from giving us an opportunity to sing for you all and do our service on this beautiful auspicious Mother's Day. Let's all remember Mother today, and whatever we cannot repay what Mother does because she's the greatest, but our small services and our small seva for Mother's Day, please accept us, and thank you all for listening us so patient. Whether it is any mistake is there, then it is ours, and if you like something, that is our Guru's and Swami's grace. Thank you. Thank you.
Sairam, Sanket Bhai, Shrishant, and Sagar Bhai. This was just amazing, just wonderful. We were all in bliss. You started with Swami's Janamadiye Jaya Thune song and the Repalle song, where it was all describing Swami's birth, how it was all connected with Satyanarayana. It was beautifully done. Oh Ma, the song that you had, the way you played the tukdas on the harmonium, that was just awesome. And also the highlight was how you touched the current situation with the Dina Dukhiyon Ke, that song, how the poor should be helped, the instrumental piece on the keyboard that you did on Jayama and Janani Ma and Shrishant, it was just awesome. English Bhajan medley, we cannot, we are still singing that. So thank you. And from all of us at the Columbus Eye Center, we would like to thank you. Sagar's playing on the tabla is just so professional. It's really beautiful. Srishant modulation on his voice, on the different, the gamakas that he does is just out of the ordinary. And Sanket Bhai, thanks a lot for accepting it. I know it was last minute. And actually, my daughter, Namita, she was the one who said, maybe we should ask Sanket to do something. And she was the one who actually initiated this. So thanks to her. And for everyone there here, Sanket also has a music academy. He teaches music to the kids. And if you want to get in touch, he's on YouTube. He's on, he's on Facebook. He's known well in the Sai fraternity. And and again, thank you, Sairam, and we would like to hear from you more. We will try to arrange more, sessions like this. But thanks for this wonderful thing.
Thank you, Bhaiya, for organizing this so well. Thank you so much, and all the devotees who gathered here. Thank you so much on this beautiful day, Mother's Day. Thanks.
Yeah, Om Shri Sai Ram. On behalf of the Columbus Sai Center, we would like to express our sincere thanks to Brother Sanket Modi, Sagar Pitroda, and Srishant on this special occasion of our center celebration of Mother Ishwaramba Day and Mother's Day. We're privileged and honored to have you in our center event, and we thoroughly enjoyed listening to your melodious and sweet voices. And we were so much connected to Mother Ishwaramba and Swami on their interactions through the narration that you folks were giving to before each bhajans and each of your heart-rending bhajans and instrumental. Yeah, I would like to express and thank Swami for making this happen. We would like to thank Brother Raj Salia and Namita for thinking through this and organizing and coordinating this program. We're looking forward to hear more from you all in our center programs and other professional performances events in the near future. Once again, thank you from each of our center members. Om Shri Sai Ram. Thank you. We're going to next move on to our SSC presentation of Group 1 and Group 2. So Group 1 will be doing their presentation. Thank you.
Sairam Jansi, you can